So, hello everyone. My name is Kalina, as I've already been introduced. However, I'm going to do a brief intro. I am a graduate engineer. I finished school last year, actually. And during my 5 years at the University of Aberdeen, I mainly learned about two things: dynamics, things that move, and statics, things that stay still. Me being a lazy student, I enjoy statics more, of course. So today I'm going to talk about two fundamental concepts. The first one is shear and torsion. Consider an Oreo biscuit. If you apply torsion, you can see that shear develops in the cream. Also, the section deforms in such a way that the planes perpendicular to the axis remain planar and perpendicular after loading as well. Just add a bit of math, and you can see that you can actually calculate the torsion and the shear strain, because, of course, that's why we go to school. The second concept is bending, and we've all experienced that one way or another. But the easiest way to explain that, and as you have noticed, I have a sweet tooth, is by breaking a Kit Kat. So you apply bending, and you can see that the pieces move opposite to each other, and this neat little diagram explains that the top part elongates and the bottom part shortens, and the stress distributes in such a way that the smallest cross-sectional area has the biggest stress. But all these concepts are just that, concepts, and to better understand them, we have to apply them to structures. So, by show of hands, who here has been to an outdoors event that involved a tent, maybe a wedding or a concert? I mean, the fringe was just last month. So the way those tents and collapsible structures work is essentially by a pop-up technique. And the best way to do that, to explain that, is actually use a pop-up book. So essentially, you have members 1 and member 2, which are unextensible, joint 1 which is fixed, and joints 2 and 3 which are pinned. By applying a moment, you make the backdrop of the pages protrude, and by sustaining that moment, you make the building stand up. So this is how collapsible structures work. Thank you so much for listening.